Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into a super handy DIY project making your own seam gauge. This little tool is a lifesaver for quick and accurate hem checks, and trust me, it's way easier to make than you might think. First off, what even is a seam gauge? Well, it's basically a small ruler that helps you measure seam allowances and hems, making sure everything is perfectly even. You can buy them, sure, but where's the fun in that? Plus, making your own means you can customize it exactly to your needs. Okay, let's gather our supplies. You'll need a piece of sturdy cardboard or thin plastic. Think the kind from a cereal box or a yogurt container. Then, grab a ruler, a pen or marker, and a pair of scissors or a craft knife. And of course, a little bit of your time and enthusiasm. Alright, first things first, let's prep our base. If you're using cardboard, make sure it's nice and flat. Now, grab your ruler and marker. We're going to mark out the measurements we need. A standard seam gauge usually has markings for inch, and 1 inch. So, using your ruler, mark those measurements along one edge of your cardboard or plastic. Make the lines nice and clear so they're easy to see. Next, we need to cut out the shape. A classic seam gauge is a small rectangle, but you can get creative here. Maybe a cute shape? Totally up to you. Using your scissors or craft knife, carefully cut out your marked shape. Be precise, because accuracy is key for a good seam gauge. Now for the fun part. Let's label our markings. With your pen or marker, write the measurements next to each line. Inch, and 1 inch. Make sure the numbers are clear and easy to read. You can even add some fun decorations if you like. Get creative, people, and that's it. Your very own DIY seam gauge is complete. See? Told you it was easy. Now, to use it, simply place the gauge along the edge of your fabric. And use the markings to measure your hem or seam allowance. It's especially handy when you're hemming, because you can quickly and accurately measure how much fabric you need to fold over. This little tool is fantastic for all sorts of sewing projects, from clothing alterations to quilting. A seam gauge helps you achieve professional-looking results. Plus, since you made it yourself, it's extra special. So there you have it, a super simple, super useful DIY seam gauge. Now you can kiss wonky hems goodbye and say hello to perfectly even seams. Give it a try, and let me know in the comments how it goes. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel for more fun DIY projects, and hit that notification bell so you never miss an upload. Thanks for watching, and happy sewing!